thunderstorms. If we take a look at what temperatures are out the door right now, we are certainly off to another mild to warm start to the morning and a fairly muggy start at that. As you walk out the door, you are going to notice once again things might feel a bit more damp outside. Along the coast, we're sitting in the low 50s right now. Do be aware that in parts of Curry County, we're also dealing with some pretty thick fog this morning. Through Siskiyou County, temperatures are in the 50s and 60s as you begin this first Monday of August. And then east of the Cascades, we're looking at temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Today, along the Oregon coastline, expect partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be staying in the 60s. A fairly comfortable day shaping up for our friends in Curry County. In Siskiyou County today, we are looking at mostly calm conditions on the day. I know Saturday and Sunday things got a bit wild at times with some pretty potent showers and thunderstorms today. Nothing of that sort. Temperatures will be topping out in the mid 90s to low 100s for most, although daytime highs might be kept in the low 90s in the Mount Shasta City area. East of the Cascades, that's the one place that we are looking at that we could see a few isolated thunderstorms developing, especially as we go later into the day. Temperatures will be topping out in the low 90s on the afternoon, upper 80s to low 90s, I should say, and we are looking at that threat of some thunderstorms developing, particularly through Lake County. Lake County is where we are expecting a majority of thunderstorm activity, as well as northern Klamath and Lake counties, but that doesn't mean an isolated thunderstorm or two cannot be ruled out completely in a place like Klamath Falls. Through our mountains, also looking at mostly dry conditions on the day. Right along the Cascade Ridgeline, we cannot rule out a stray thunderstorm or two. Otherwise, just anticipate some partly cloudy skies, temperatures sitting in the 80s. Through our west side valleys, a very hot day shaping up for your Monday. Highs into the triple digits. Wear those shorts, wear that light clothing if you have that opportunity, because it is going to be a hot one. Increasing clouds though throughout the day. As we get into the afternoon, skies will turn from mostly clear this morning to partly cloudy, potentially even getting to mostly cloudy as we go later into the evening. We do have a heat advisory in place for all of these areas in this orange color until 10 p.m. on your Tuesday, because temperatures will continue to be oh so hot, especially today, so please do your best to stay cool and hydrated. Timing out your Storm Watch 12 Stormcast as we go later into the afternoon. Again, a few thunderstorms popping up through parts of Lake County. Cannot rule out a stray thunderstorm or two in parts of Klamath County, particularly around Klamath Falls, but much of the rest of the region remaining pretty storm-free. Continuing through your stormcast, as we go into your Tuesday, clouds may increase once again tomorrow, but we are not expecting any showers or thunderstorms. First time in about 5 or 6 days that we can say that we're not expecting any thunderstorms in our region. That's coming on Tuesday. We do have a red flag warning in effect, though, for most of Lake County and northern Klamath County. This is from 2 o'clock this afternoon until 8 p.m. tonight, because we are looking at that possibility of numerous lightning strikes over dry fuels. We certainly do not need to see any more wildfires starting, but please be fire safe and fire aware if you find yourself in a red flag warning area. Going forward, temperatures just get through the next 3 days, because then we're finally going to see some temperature relief in our west side valleys. By Thursday, we're expecting daytime highs only into the upper 80s. So for the next 7 days, the coast will continue to see temperatures sitting in the 60s, fairly comfortable in Curry County, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy for a majority of the forecast period. In Siskiyou County, partly cloudy today, and then we get to mostly sunny skies starting on Tuesday. Temperatures in the upper 90s to low 100s today through Wednesday, before we dip down into the 80s by the time we do reach your Thursday. East of the Cascades, slight chances of showers and thunderstorms will exist today and again on Thursday, but outside of those 2 days, we are looking at a mostly sunny forecast period, and again by Thursday, that's when that big cool down happens with highs only in the 80s. In our mountains, slight chances of showers and thunderstorms exist today, mostly sunny then Tuesday and Wednesday, with then another slight chance coming on Thursday. And in our west side valleys, we have those 3 days through today through Wednesday of upper 90s to low 100s before we get some of that heat relief down only into the 80s by the time we hit Thursday.
So last week I had my rain jacket